DJM TV.
Country people, I holla una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when the say the time be now on top the time when I take they look us from that location. So on top we ogbonge TV program when be week to week recap plus analysis. On top we ogbonge TV station DJM TV. Yes, so this week when you just waka run comot, so we knack una one tori wey go concern the Edo State police sake of say they come fit free 13 people when e be say kidnappers be kpake go put for inside one bush for inside our. Make we bring the video, make we look am, then we go come back, we come read the comment wey be say country people knack put on top this story and we go see chook mouth put. Make we look the video first.
A combined team of security operatives in Edo State yesterday rescued 13 persons from the den of kidnappers in the Ao area of the Adowa bypass along the Benin-Auchi Express Road in Uwode local government area of Edo State. The combined security men, made up of men of the Edo State Police Command, local hunters, and members of the Edo State Vigilante Security Network (ESVSN), ransacked the forest which the kidnappers used as hideout and rescued the 13 persons who were of two sets kidnapped at two different operations. They were kidnapped on Thursday, while the first set were traveling from Lagos to Akwa Ibom State. The other set were traveling from Lagos to Onitsha, Anambra State. Speaking with newsmen after the rescue operations, the Commissioner of Police, Edo State Command, CP Philip Ogbadu, said the command deployed drones and with the assistance of hunters and members of the Vigilante Security Network set up by the Edo State government. Speaking further, the Edo State Police boss stated in his words, "We used information provided to track the kidnappers. We took courage to enter the forest. This is how we would proceed with the operations going forward." He reassured members of the public that the police command in the state will not relent in their quest to get rid of kidnappers in the state. In the Edo State Commissioner of Police words again, "We are going to carry out a general combing of the area so that we can identify their camps. So far, we have identified up to 7 camps, and we will make these camps visiting points so that they will not be able to come back." Mr. Ogbadu urged the residents in the communities along and around the Ao-Auchi Road area to always provide relevant information about the activities of kidnappers to the police authorities, noting, "We are going to seek more information from these communities as these kidnappers come to the road to buy food and they interact with the people." The police commissioner further disclosed that the command will carry out regular patrols and mount checkpoints along the road to checkmate the incessant kidnapping taking place in the area. He also said that the rescued victims will be taken to the Magnus Eweka Police Cottage Hospital for thorough examination before they will be handed over to the state government to assist them continue and proceed to their respective destinations. On his part, the coordinator of the Edo State Community Vigilante Security Network, Mr. Yusuf Aruna, said the success of the operation is a testimony that what the Edo State government is doing with the new security architecture in identifying and understanding the behavior of crime and criminality in the state. In his words, "Crime is local, so we localize our architecture. We have chased the criminal element away from the city to the suburbs, and we are taking the war to them in the suburb as well," the Edo State Vigilante Security Network coordinator disclosed.
Country people, now make we look the comment when we say una wey be our viewers still write give us on top this new story when we say we not give una inside the week when the run comot, so then we go come chook mouth put. The first comment when e dey here go concern Jumbo Osazuwa. Now wetin you talk? You say kudos to Edo State Police when e be say na Commissioner Philip Ogbadu na lead them. Say yes, nice job. Say you like the way they take rescue those people. Say who be know say people like that they kidnap them go put for inside that kind forest. Say you gbadu them and you come see praise the governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, for the kind support when e be say they give security agencies for inside the security matter when it concern Edo State. The inside there, Mercy Imasa Bene, you still knack your own put for here. You say kudos to the governor of Edo State sake of say the way take carry security matter put for head. Say yes, e show say yes, he know im job when he suppose to do, and he dey do am wella with the way they support all the security agencies and even form the Edo State vigilante network when e be say they join police now hand in hand to make sure say Edo State dey safe. Inside there, John Osareme, you still bring your own here. You say yes, say the police do very good work. Say not be small thing those kidnappers dey do for inside that our forest. So make dem find way to take make sure say those forests, if na to bulldoze the trees wey dey comot, or they go sell the land comot so that people go build house for there, so that those kidnappers no go see place dey put anybody wey be say dey kpake for those road. All the same, you see talk say yes, say the commissioner say make it well done, and the governor you say in akpangba. Yes, so country people. Now more we chook mouth put, we don't read the comments. So for those of now when you see put comment, we thank una for the time when business take una comment put, and we want to encourage and say una continue to put na comment. It shows say yes, una dey active with us. So me want chook mouth put based on the way me see the matter. Yes, nice job as everybody don't talk since for the part of the police. Nice job too for the part of the governor, and nice job too to the Oba of Benin sake of say he be the father of all. So e get certain role when be say they play when they make sure say yes, security still dey take kpangba for inside Edo State. Inside there, the governor, yes, we hear that time say he donate some vehicles to security agencies for the state, or to make sure say yes, Edo people dey secure and those people when they waka. Now for the kidnappers, una no dey learn. Una no dey learn. The more na dey kidnap, the more they catch una. The more na still dey do the job. Una no dey learn. Where una go take learn? If na you as a kidnapper, the way you dey kidnap people, they force them to come, they bring money, come out. How you go feel? Or they kidnap your sister, or they kidnap your brother. They come say they beat am, they maltreat am, even they use gun, they choke the ibele as they do one of the people when they kidnap, according to the story when they knack give us. You no go learn, make una repent. Make una repent. You dey ask for 5 million, 2 million, 3 million. You no look the person you dey ask the money whether he don eat. Whether you get 50 naira for pocket, now talk of 5 million, 10 million. Not be so. We all are Nigerians. The way the country dey now, yes, now all of us now they suffer am. We know that one. So we all of us now go still pray, still work hand in hand to make sure say the country move comot from this particular stage when it dey so, go the permanent side. And by the time it doesn't reach that time, now all of us go see they enjoy am. So those of now when they pour am for crime, I beg una, make una remove hand. Crime no dey pay, e dey only dey lead to wastage. Every one of una when e be say we dey involve una sef for crime. So if una really think am, sit down, think am, una fit do creative things when be say go even make life better pass the way una fit say una fit get when una go kidnap. So make una comot hand for crime. Crime e no good. All the same, kudos to the Nigerian Police Force Edo State Command led by Mr. Philip Ogbadu. Yes, since you come, peace don dey the state. And Governor Obaseki, yes, with the holla una from DJM TV. Yes, you be correct, Governor. You know what to do at the right time. So, country people, one thank una for the time when business look us now on top this our week to week recap plus analysis. And we want beg una say yes, make una like, make una still share, and make una still comment on top this particular news recap when we not giving una inside this week. So, on top that one, so once the beg una say, make una follow us for all our social media platforms, for YouTube, for Facebook, for Instagram, and for the baba of them all, when be our website, when be www.djmtv.news. Until next week, when we go still come on our way again with another week-to-week recap plus analysis. My name na still una country brother, Stanley Okocha for Inside DJM TV.
DJM TV.